is the 21st of March 2026, and we've just passed through the equinox portal yesterday morning, and feeling that new energy, the 0 degrees Aries, the point of change, the spring energy, pushing new life up from the center of the earth and bringing the new healed whole Mother Earth closer to the surface. So starting out this morning with a nice straight spine and some few deep breaths. Let's just honor the Mother Earth, the new healed whole Mother Earth, for a few moments while we breathe in, breathe out, feeling our feet connected to the earth, to the ground. Breathing in and out, opening the chakras in the bottom of the feet and the tailbone, and sending energy down to the new healed whole Mother Earth, thanking her for her journey, for her stepping into a new age, a new frequency, new vibration, and take a moment to connect with it deeply. So breathing in, drawing the breath up and into the body, feeling refreshed and energized. Breathing out, deep thanks, sending down your roots to the earth and thanking her for being here for you in this moment. Breathing in and breathing out. We'll go ahead and surround the body with a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. So continuing to breathe in and breathe out. You can draw the breath in through the nose, release with some noise through the mouth, noticing your container of light, continuing to breathe, and straightening the spine, watching the breath move through the body and the system from your observer self, and allow yourself to observe the root chakra. What's it looking like this morning? Bringing your energy down there, visualizing red in nature. There's red roses popping out here, and geraniums and red flowers all over. So breathing in and out, just imagining red in nature, drawing it to your root chakra, expanding it at the root, feeling it run down the legs to the bottoms of the feet, connecting you to the new healed whole Mother Earth. And you can mentally repeat as you're breathing, I'm fully connected to and supported by the new healed whole Mother Earth. So drawing that in and out. Low-toned Om is the wake-up exercise for this chakra. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Lam. So let's do the mantra for a moment, 2 or 3 times. Lam. Lam. Breathing in and breathing out. Springtime, new energy, pulling it up into your body from the new healed whole Mother Earth. Red chakra, low-toned Om is the exercise. Let's wake it up and connect it and go back to our mantra. Om. Lam. Lam. Om. Lam. Lam. Good. And from there, breathing in and out, move up to your navel area, your belly. So keeping that spine nice and straight, kind of stretching up from your root so that you can feel a nice even space between each chakra, and you can start to feel the brilliance of their colors and nature. So focus on orange. We've got the California poppy popping up all over on the street sides along the road, which is a nice pure orange color. So just imagining oranges, tangerines, oranges, that color, breathing it into the second chakra. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam, and the exercise is the medium-toned Om. Om, Vam, Vam. Do that one more time and really feel your belly waking up and moving energy and clearing out those intestines and activating those kidneys. Nice pure orange energy. Bum, bum. Good. And from there, we come up to the solar plexus. That's a nice yellow energy, bright yellow energy. There's these really huge trailing rose bushes that grow all around here, and they have tiny roses, small roses, yellow roses, but they're just abundant. They flip over, and sometimes they grow up. They're viney, so they grow up next to a tree or something. So just seeing massive amounts of those as I take my walks. So breathing in yellow, maybe like a sunflower or lemons or grapefruit. Just get that pure, natural yellow energy. Draw it towards your solar plexus. Again, lift up the diaphragm, lift up the rib cage, take some nice deep breaths into the lungs, and the high-toned Om, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Ra. Ready? Om, Ra, Om, Ra. So you have the red, the orange, the yellow, all lined up and spinning in a row, breathing in and breathing out. Feel the power of those three chakras grounding you, bringing in that sense of peace in this moment, that sense of calm, and we'll come up to the heart chakra, which is the green. It is in the center of the chest along with the physical heart, and this is where we open to compassion, we open to others. It's also the bridge between the lower three and the upper three. So going in, opening the heart with love and acceptance. So very deep sighs are the exercise. And you'll find that if you make those during the day, deep breath in and a sigh out, that it's very, very helpful. It's very helpful in helping the heart unload some of the sorrow that it gets, some of the hurt, some of the pain. Yum is a one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. And breathing into the heart, just imagine radiating green energy out and pulling it in. Kuan Yin says, drink from the emerald fountain, receive love and acceptance from Kuan Yin. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Breathing in and breathing out. And from here we go to the throat chakra, blue like the sky. Hum. So we use a lion breath where we come out with hum, H-U-M. Hum. The tongue goes to your chin, the paws flare up. Kind of get that throat open, release anything that's tucked down there still in those other chakras. So a nice big roar, ready? Hum, hum. Imagining the blue just opening the throat. All the things that you express from your truth, from your heart at the same time. Hum, 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 hum. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is hum as well. And so we'll chant it at this point to open the throat further. Hum, hum, hum. hum, hum, hum. Breathing in from the throat chakra, we go to the third eye. So we'd like to stop here with a little bit of a gratitude practice. Maybe you can extend that further after the call. Write out some of the things you're grateful for and remind yourself. Right now we'll hold the palms up as if we're giving a gift out to the world, and we'll speak our gratitude. I'm grateful for this moment in time, grateful for another day to be able to practice, to be able to stay on the path towards enlightenment. Grateful for all of you, this call. Grateful for our breath and our voice. Grateful for this precious human life. How can we use it? And it's such a gift. How can we bring it forth as a gift into the world to others? Breathing in. Breathing out. Third eye is indigo. It's up there at the brow chakra. It's a high pitch E for the exercise, and the one syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham. Ready? Sham, Sham, Sham. And with gratitude. Sham. So having passed through the equinox portal and feeling the new energy, taking some time to be straight and tall, feet grounded to the earth, chakras in alignment, container of light strong and shining all around you, feeling your body lighten, your emotions lighten, your mind lighten by going through the chakras and releasing worries, finding a way to be fully present in the moment. And so we'll move up to the crown chakra. This is the purple violet amethyst to white light. It's the top of the brain, the top of the skull. And so when you make your sound, just imagine this light is streaming up to the guides, the guardians, the ancestors, the angels, ascended masters. Focus on maybe your guide and your connection as you're making that sound and streaming the light up. We keep the palms open still. So as the sound starts to die out from your voice and your mouth, it's wah, 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 and it goes to as high as you possibly can go. And then beyond your sound, you just feel it, and you draw the shower of light back down into your container of light, into your body. So keeping those palms open, going into the exercise for the crown chakra. May you receive all that you need, the strength, the energy, the health, the light, the abundance of spirit. May I receive all that I need. May all beings receive all that they need. One more time. And before we close and seal the practice today, let's go ahead and state we're bringing in the 2024 invocation. We're bringing it into this moment, into this new energy, this 0 point of creation, reminding ourselves that to create, to bring the changes we want to see in the world, we have to be fully present. It's at that stage that the past and the future are in the moment. They're in your hands. They're in your ability to project love and light into the world in this moment. The alchemy of change. Ready? Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I'm awake. I'm aware. I'm fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. And we'll go ahead and seal the practice today with 3 tones of Om. One, the first one for yourself, you're here. The second one, to extend it to our circle today. Thank you for joining, all of you. And the third, to just send it out into the world in rolls of, just feel like streams of light and vibrations of light coming out from the circle, from these tones. Ready? There we are. Thank you all for being here today on this Saturday.